Hey guys, so ConvertKit's just come up with a really awesome way of sharing things you've already put together. So I'm going to make a walkthrough here of visual animation, so give you an idea of how to make these and then also how to share them later on. Okay, so we go to New Automation. And I have one already sort of in mind, so I'm just going to walk through it. Okay, I'm going to call it my biology and automation. Okay. So I'm going to have, based on where people come in, okay? So I'm going to have that one, and I've already created these, so it's going to make things a little bit faster for me. I'm going to have that one, sorry, not that one yet, that one, and lastly, there we go. I'm going to add those three. So what this is, these are my forms, okay? So if you are opting into my list through this form, or this form, now you're going to come into this automation. Okay, now I'm going to split this automation up and show you exactly what we can do with it. So if you come in through this one, or this one, you're a biology teacher, and we've got to keep that in mind, okay? But if you come in through this one and this one, the commonality is my lab station activities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag you as interested in lab station activities if you come in through one of these. Okay. If you come in through one of these and you're tagged as interested in lab station activities, I also want to actually send you into a lab station sequence that's going to help you further. It's going to help further your information about my lab stations and get you a deal as well. So I'm going to add you to my lab station follow-up. So I'm going to do that for each one here. Lab station follow-up. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, as I said, all three of these opt-in forms, make it so that you're doing so because you're a biology teacher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that all of these people are tagged as a teacher of biology. Okay. Now what else am I going to do? Okay, well, if after you're tagged as a teacher of biology, I want to put you into a few other different sequences. I want to bring you into my world further. So I'm going to add you to my Friday video sequence. So in this sequence, every Friday, you get a video. It's a science video, something interesting that you show to the beginning of your class. So I'm going to add that. Okay. I'm going to add the fact that you are a biology teacher. So I'm going to put you into the biology teacher funnel. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to delay this one. I'm going to put a condition in. Sorry, I'm not going to put a condition in. I'm going to delay it by 3 weeks. And what I'm going to delay by 3 weeks is my last sequence called my onboarding sequence. And the reason that I like to delay this one a little bit is because my onboarding sequence is meant for people who have been in my world for a little bit longer. Okay? So that's all. That's it. That's everything you need to do. So I've showed you how to create this. Now we're going to zoom out and take a look at what it actually looks like. Okay, so these three forms give you these two tags, which put you into these two sequences. All three of these forms automatically tag you as a biology teacher, put you into my Friday video sequence, put you into my biology teacher funnel, delay it 3 weeks, and then put you into my onboarding funnel. Now what else I'm going to do is I can share this funnel. That's what makes ConvertKit amazing. Okay, they keep coming with these amazing innovations. So I'm going to click here to activate it. And then what I'm going to do is if I want to share this funnel with people, and I'll put this in the comments section, I can actually click this button here, share publicly as a template. So this will allow anyone with access to copy the entire automation and everything within it. So that's this link here. I'm going to copy that and I'll put it in the comments section. But what does that mean? Okay, well, here are my opt-in forms. So I have one opt-in form here, okay, and this is my cell theory. Here's my second one, and here's my third one. So what you actually get with this is you get these three opt-in forms, which is pretty cool. You can just change it, swap out the things, the writing, and the things that they get, and put in your own stuff. So you're automatically going to get those things. So back to our funnel. you're going to be tagged automatically as these. Okay, if you don't have these tags, it will create these tags for you inside your ConvertKit. And again, you can just change the name of them. They're easily found because I put these little asterisks beside them, and you can just change them around, change the names around. And you're also going to be put into this sequence. Where is this sequence? Not that one, that one. Okay, so you're going to get this sequence. You see how I actually do this. Okay, you get all of this. You're going to be tagged as a biology teacher. Again, you'll get that, and you can change up the tag. You're going to get my Friday sequence. Where is it here? There it is. So all these videos that come out every Friday, only Fridays. And then you can change up the links and stuff. All these link to my website. If you want to leave them, go ahead. You're going to get my biology teacher funnel, which looks like, where is it? There it is. So it's these 6 emails. Okay, provides tons of value. You can swap out the links, swap out the things that you say, and use them straight out of the box. And you're going to get my onboarding sequence, which is my large 200-day sequence. And you can see all the different emails that go to it. Okay, and again, I'm just trying to provide value. I'm trying to create trust and, like I said, value. And eventually, yes, you sell to your customers, but the point is you're providing a ton of value for them. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to give you this funnel. Okay, if you want it, I've copied the link. I'm going to put it in the comment section below. All you got to do is click enter, or click the link, excuse me, and this will automatically be put into your account. If you don't already have a ConvertKit account, I'll put a link to sign up as well, because it is really the best software. And this is only the beginning. Okay, visual automations. They have other kinds of automations, every kind of integration, broadcasts, everything. Okay, segmentation. If you have any questions, let me know.